Here's eye candy, and I'll be doggone, this is the first year it actually looks like eye candy. So take a look here on a close-up shot. Can you see the white and the green and the pink striations on these new leaves here? Look at that. That is absolutely glorious. Planted in full sun in Florida. Kept its leaves, turned nice and green in the middle of summer to protect itself. But it looks phenomenal. Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, today's the day I'm gonna go ahead and start planting something. Hip hip hooray. I'm actually taking some propagations that I took of my lantana Camara, which gets about 20 inches high and about wide. And it's supposed to be hardy, zone 7 to 11, and possibly even evergreen, but mine was not here in sunny or overcast Florida. So let me go ahead and show you what my lantana from last year looks like now. I do see some signs of new growth in the old lantana, but I am so glad I took a whole bunch of propagations from it, and I'm gonna get that into the garden. So let me go ahead and show you what the last year's looks like right now, and then I'm gonna show you what I propagated. All right, so here's my old one here, and you can see there is some new growth starting to come out from it, but it did look like a twiggy stick for a long time, but I've left it, and now we're free from our frost date, so I'm ready to plant in some new ones. So you might remember that this is the bed that I planted in 2 of my David Austin roses. So cool here. Look how beautiful those are. We've got that one, and it was so long ago. This is the Country Parsons right here. And then over here, we have the lovely and beautiful, I think this one's Golden Celebration. But they are looking gorgeous. And then I have spots here for 3 more roses. 1, 2, and 3. And those are going to be roses coming from Garden Roses LLC. And I'm looking forward to getting those in. But in between them, I think I'm going to be planting some of my lantana that I've propagated over here. So literally, guys, I did not do much for these. I just broke some off and put them in some dirt and kept them in my garage in the winter, bringing them out on sunny, warm days, and they have taken and look gorgeous. So now we're going to go ahead and put them in the ground. So my thinking is, I'm going to put one here, and then there'll be a rose. Put one here, and then there will be a rose. Put one here, then there'll be a rose. And then put one here, and then that will take me 4, and I have 6 altogether. So I thought I would skip over here and put one here and over here. And I think they'll still get enough sunlight from the midday sun to do okay, but we'll have to see. Oh, and then look over here, everyone. Here I have my one candy butterfly bush doing well. And then, yeah, I got a stick here for one. And then there used to be one over here. And then there used to be one right here. And then this is my poster blue right here. And yeah, there is something about the hot Florida sun. I know it's getting enough water. In fact, the ones that get more water seem to do better. But yeah, they didn't do so well. And then here's my poster blue here. And then a little no-name one here that I can't remember. And they get part shade most of the day and lots of water. So I'm thinking I'm not going to put butterfly bushes where those have died unless I know I'm going to get some good shade there. I do have these two here that are waiting to go in pots too. I might try them one more time in two of the spots where two have died, but then I'm probably not going to put anywhere that's really getting a lot of direct sun. All right, let's go ahead and get to planting. Woohoo! All right, so this is going to be the Chrysalis series butterfly bush from Lowe's. And it says on the back, it's cold hardy to zone 5. It gets to be up to 28 inches high, 24 inches wide, so it's definitely a miniature. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get this baby in where I just pulled the one out. And then we're gonna put the other one on the other garden because that's where I had one die. I mean, I love asymmetry. Come on now. I am an art teacher and I love asymmetric sometimes, but sometimes I don't. So we're gonna get the other one in so it balances out those other two. So we have a nice 3 triangle. Now come on, y'all. This is some good old soil down in here. I know there's a sprinkler nearby, and I know my crepe myrtle is going to help protect it from afternoon sun. What is up? Y'all, that looks so beautiful there, and that complements my little triad that I have. So I have one right there, one there, and now I have the one right there. Awesome. So excited for that. And then the other ones, here's my lantana. Oh yes indeed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then over here, you can see my butterfly bush looking great there. Hopefully that one will make it. And then here's the long shot. Whew. All right, y'all. that's going to do me for today. I am going to reuse those pots in tomorrow's video, so you'll get to see what I'm going to do with that. And I hope you're able to go out and make something beautiful in your world today. And until the next one, bye y'all.